Creating a hosting or subdomain and integrating WordPress is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Log into your hosting or H panel, proceed to the Websites tab, and select your desired website. Click on the Manage button. In the search box, look for subdomain and click on it. Enter your preferred subdomain, and double-check your website's domain. By default, a folder named a subdomain will be generated within the public HTML folder of your website. If you prefer to assign a custom name to that folder, you can mark the corresponding box and explore additional options. Once ready, click the Create button. When you navigate to your file manager, you'll notice the newly created News folder. Accessing My Subdomain in a browser leads to this page, as the folder is currently empty. Returning to the H panel, search for Auto Installer. Locate WordPress and select it. Fill in your website's title and credentials. Then click on Advanced Options. In the Installation Path field, choose the subdomain you've created. Feel free to explore other available options. Subsequently, click the Next button. Choose the desired WordPress version, language, and update schedule. With those selections made, hit the Install button. Now, observe the successful installation. Verify by opening it in a new browser tab. Within the File Manager, you can spot the WordPress source files neatly organized within the subdomain folder. This illustrates how you can effectively create a subdomain on Hostinger and seamlessly integrate WordPress into it.